I've got the answer as to why you're getting back pain, and you just have to listen for a few minutes and this could change your life forever. So basically we get wear and tear in the spine, and that very often causes back pain. Tight muscles come along with that. We'll talk about that in a second. The wear and tear looks like this. The discs should be nice and plump, and then they start wearing out and they eventually look like that. If you've got back pain and you're middle-aged, you're probably looking more like this. We get degeneration in the disc, we get wear and tear in the joints, and we need to do something to fix that. Now, of course, you can't just fix wear and tear, but what you can do is you can improve the alignment and the mobility of your spine, and that will get it feeling a lot better. When we get wear and tear in the spine, our spines often flatten off, and that's a problem. We need to restore that curvature in here in your lower back so that it looks more like that. You should have a curve there. If your back's starting to flatten off, that's not a good thing. So the way we can fix it is with one of these. I'll show you how to use this one right now, and then I'm going to show you how to mobilize your spine effectively so that everything starts freeing up and you can really start to improve the alignment of your spine. So get one of these and place it on the floor. Then you're going to lie on it. So it's like this. The lowest part goes right there underneath the belt line, and then you lie on your back over it. And it just restores that curvature back into your spine. It's really comfortable. It feels like it's just decompressing all the joints and the discs, and you just relax there. It's as easy as that. I could lie there all day. Now what this does, as you can see, it gets into the spine here, and your body will arch over it. You need a deep stretch, and remember, a long stretch to improve that sort of lordosis in your spine. You can't just lie there for 30 seconds. It's got to be a good 5-10 minutes every day to stretch through the spine. And then when you're sat in your chair, whether it's your car or whether it's a desk chair, don't slouch. Don't sit on your sofa in the evening and slouch because you're undoing everything. Try and get something into the lower back so that you're more upright, like that. Now, that's a great way to restore that lordosis back into your spine, which we must have. We can now also improve the mobility of your spine, because when you start getting wear and tear, by the way, if you want one of these, click just down there on this video, you'll find one there on TikTok, or go to my TikTok profile page, you'll find one there also. Anyway, mobility of your spine. We need to improve the mobility through this whole area. What you're going to do is this. You're going to lie on your back, grab a knee and pull across your body like this. You can feel a rotation through here into the glute, a stretch all the way through, and hold it for 30 seconds. Then hold it this way again for 30 seconds. And you need to do that 3, 4, 5 times a day. You can do it like this seated and then rotate your body with it. That's doing a similar thing, not as good as lying on your back, but it's okay. And do that side and twist through to there. So we're improving the mobility through all the joints in the spine. That's massively important to get things freed up through there. Now, we spoke about muscle. When you've got wear and tear in the joints and the discs, and you need to improve the mobility, improve the tightness through all these tiny muscles down through the spine here, because they do create pain. You need to get into them. You can do the stretch I've just shown you. That will stretch them a little bit, but to get right into there, improve blood flow, release off that tightness and tension, we need to do something very specific. Now, that something very specific is one, maybe have a massage. That would help to get deep into the area. So see a masseuse. If you can't go and see one every week, every couple of weeks to help loosen things off, then this is a great option. It's a massage gun. I'm sure you've seen them. You turn it on and this goes in and out really quickly, and you can just work through all the muscle around the hip area, the lower back. So it's going to be basically, move them over there, it's going to be into this area, all through there, into the hips. You get blood flow back into the muscle, you release off the muscle, and that will start to feel and move a lot better. If you want one of these, a massage gun, again, click down there on this video, you'll find one there. Again, I'll go onto my TikTok profile page, it's there also. This is going to really help your back a lot, but you need to be persistent and regular with doing this. This is not one of those things you can do one day and then feel better the next day, but then don't do it again, because the problem will come back. You need to consistently do it over and over again. When you're feeling and moving really well, then start maybe dropping down to 3, 4, 2 days a week and play about with the frequency to make sure you keep yourself feeling good, but you're not spending too much time trying to manage your back. But the more you do it, like exercise, the more benefit you get. As I say, if you want this, or if you want this, click just down there on this video. If you're on TikTok, if you're not on TikTok, go to TikTok, go to my profile page, James the Osteopath, and you'll find those on there.